Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Al-Binaa returns for its 4th season. With Monday we have the Mutun. We'll be going through a topic of Tazkiyyah and the book 10 قواعد في تزكية النفس, and the book 10 Principles of Purifying Your Nafs by Sheikh Al-Badr. It goes through the purification of the nafs. What are the different ways to do that? And it gives you practical steps to achieve that. And then also we have Fiqh on Wednesdays, the Fiqh of transaction. So buying and selling, trading, what are the rules regarding it, what are the rulings, what is halal for you to do, what are the haram dealings that you're not allowed to do, what are the principles that you must adhere to if you're involved in business and you need to know what is halal, what is haram from that. Bismillah, we'll be covering that on Wednesdays. And in the final part of the Khulafaa al-Rashideen, we have the story of Ali ibn Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anh. We'll be exploring the story of his Khilafah, how he was, the lessons we can take from it, the fitan that took place during his time, the emergence of some of these new misguided sects such as the Khawarij, what their story was, and how all of these events took place. We encourage you all to attend. This is an easy place to access knowledge, so come and benefit and bring your loved ones. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.